Hey guys, check out these really cool light up toy trains. These trains are absolutely amazing. I love the colors of them. They're so fun, especially if your kids love doing like dance parties at night. My kids love doing that before bed. We turn these trains on. They love just dancing around, getting all that energy out. They're really cool because if you look up close, they have so many different gears. So the kids can go ahead and watch them. When you do turn them on, they're driving around. The gears actually all move and they function. And this middle diamond right here is one of my kids' favorite. And it spins around and it shines just a beautiful light off that reflects off all the walls and it just lights up the room. Also, the wheels move down here, and I love how it looks like gears. They all connect there too. These are really cool because they do go in a straight line. Then once the music starts playing, they spin a little bit and then they keep going. But what's really cool about them is that they're not going to get stuck anywhere. They actually, if you watch them, if they hit like a wall, they'll actually bounce back and like go in reverse and then turn around. They also play a couple little songs, which is really fun. It's kind of like a techno party in your house. My kids absolutely love these things. They're great for all ages. My youngest one loves it. My older one loves it. They just can't get enough of these things. As soon as you turn them on, it just like sets a whole vibe to your house. So if you're looking for a really cool gift for your kids this Christmas season, these right here are a great option. Thanks for watching.